Hello everybody. If you have an AWS account and you want to try Kuzzle in no time, this is the right video for you. We create an AMI in order for you to pop an instance and have an available Kuzzle server in no time. So here's what you have to do. Just go to your AWS console on the EC2 resource management and click on the Launch Instance button. You have to search Kuzzle here. You will find the AMI in the marketplace and select it. And here is the billing table. So the bigger your instance is, the more expensive it is. So it's very important for you to choose the right sizing of your EC2 instance because you want to have a good trade-off between performance and cost, of course. So the first sizing that can provide you decent performance without being too expensive is the T2.medium EC2 one. So this is by default already selected. Now, if you want to change some more configuration details, you can click on Next. But today we will just stick with the default settings. So here they are. Now, please pay very good attention to this banner that says that this AMI is not eligible to the free tier. So you basically will be billed by launching it. So you can click on Launch, and the last stage is just choosing a key pair in order to log in to your instance once it's popped. This can be very useful to change configuration options once the instance is running. For example, the Kuzzle AMI ships with the MQTT module, but it's default. But it's disabled by default. Okay, so if you want to turn it on, you have to log on the instance, change the configuration detail, and then relaunch Kuzzle on that instance. Now, once this is clear and we are ready to go, we click on Launch Instance, and here it is. Now, we can go to our EC2 console. We can see here we have still 0 running instances, but the one we just launched is pending. So we basically have to wait for it to be ready. It can take like a minute or two. And here we go. The badge turned green, which means our instance is running. So probably we will need some more time in order to let Kuzzle initiate. But in the meanwhile, we can set up a connection in our admin console in order to take a look at the instance. So we create a new connection here. We call it AWS. And the host is here, public DNS. So we copy it and we paste it in the host field. Now we leave the port and the SSL untouched. We select a color and we create the connection. Now, here we are. We can see that the admin console doesn't prompt us for a new admin user. This is because the AMI we created shipped with an admin user by default. So the name of the user is EC2 user, and the password that you will have to change eventually is the instance ID that you can find here. So we copy it and we paste it in the password field and we log in. and we're inside. Now you can see I can create an index. And here we go. So that's it for today. We have our running instance. We can play around with it. I will let you play a little bit with it. If you want to discover Kuzzle, you can take a look at all the other videos we have that can teach you how to discover the different features that Kuzzle can offer to you. Please don't forget to shut down your instance once you're done, because otherwise you will be billed for no reason. And of course, if you have any difficulties or need some help, you can join us on Gitter and we'll be there for you. I hope you have fun, and I see you next time.